A Visual FoxPro table memo file stores the variable length text and binary data that lives alongside your DBF database table. The overflow storage for large field content. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access, repair, or migrate these database memo files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful FPT troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. FPT files are memo field data files for Visual FoxPro, and dBASE databases storing variable length text binary data and embedded objects that exceed the fixed field width of the companion DBF table. They are essential companion files for tables containing memo or general field types. FPT files use a block-based binary format, with a header specifying block size followed by sequential memo data blocks. Each block contains a type identifier, length, and content data. Block references in the DBF file point to specific FPT block numbers for memo field retrieval. Microsoft Visual FoxPro from Microsoft Corporation offers a certified solution for the FPT file type. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows cannot interpret the data directly, so viewing or editing needs a proper database application. Let's find the winning application, right-click your FPT file and select Open With. If Microsoft Visual FoxPro is there, test it now. If not, grab another application. Testing helps us eliminate common software conflicts. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focused tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the FPT file begins. First, accessing memo data. Ensure the FPT file is in the same directory as its companion DBF table file with matching file names. Open the DBF file in Visual FoxPro or DBF Commander, and memo field contents will be loaded automatically from the FPT file when you access records containing memo data. Next, repairing corrupted files. If memo data appears garbled or inaccessible, the FPT file may be corrupted. Use Visual FoxPro's pack command to rebuild the table and memo file. Alternatively, use DBF repair tools to scan and recover readable memo data blocks from the corrupted FPT file. Finally, migrating to modern databases. Export DBF tables with memo fields to modern formats, using Visual FoxPro's copy to command with type CSV or use DBF Commander to export. Memo field contents are included in the export. Import the data into MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQL Server for continued database operations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.